A warm welcome to my dear 3rd standard student. I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharathidhasanar Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 4th lesson. So, what is our 4th lesson name, my dears? Very good. Our 4th lesson name is subtraction. What is mean by subtraction? Oh, very good. Subtraction means taking away some of the object from the collection and counting the remaining object of the collection. For example, you have 5 apples. How many apples? 5 apples. 5 apples. You are going to give 3 apples to your friend. 3 apples to your friend. Remaining, how many apples left with you? Very good. So, take 5 and fold 3 fingers. So, remaining we had 2. So, the answer is 2 apples. How many apples? 2 apples. So, listen my children, in this subtraction terms having some names. The first number, the greatest number is called as mini n, and the smallest number is called as, the second number is called the subtrahend, and final outcome is called the difference. This is the subtraction sign. This is called as subtraction sign. Now, today we are going to see alternative method, second one. So, what is the first one? In last class itself you read, the first one is subtraction by breaking one number, and today we are going to see subtraction by breaking both number. Listen children, subtract by breaking both number. Here the question is 97 minus 36. 97 minus 36. Now we are going to break both number. Okay. So, while breaking time, there you should use the expanded form, then you will write the answer. Listen. Break 97. Break 97. So, now tell me Bhavana, what is the answer? 97. Yeah, very good. 90 plus 7. How did you say the answer, dear? Yes, by using the expanded form. Here 7 it is in 1's place and 9 it is in 10th place. So, the answer is 90 plus 7. What is the answer? 90 plus 7. Next we will take 36. Break 36. Break 36. Again you tell the answer. Nani tell the answer. How to break the number 36? Very good. The answer is 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6. So, this is our first step. Now, we are going to write the second one. So, what is the second one? Subtract tens and subtract ones. Okay, subtract tens value and subtract ones value. Before going that, we will substitute in the question itself. Now, take the question. 97 minus 36. Already we break a 97. What is the answer? The answer is 90 plus 7. Okay. So, then we have the minus symbol. So, write minus symbol. In 36, write a 30 plus 6. Already we done. Okay. So, write a 30 plus 6. 30 plus 6. Now, we are going to write the formula. What is the formula? The formula is plus into plus equal to plus, and what is our next one? Very good. Our next one is minus into minus equal to plus, and next one is plus into minus equal to minus, and minus into plus equal to minus. So, now listen here. Our next step is 90 plus 7, and then now minus into plus. What is the answer? Minus into plus? The answer is minus 30, and then minus into plus, again the answer is minus 6. Now, we are going to write a subtract tens value and subtract ones value. Subtract tens value and subtract ones value. Sub tens. Sub tens and then sub ones. Subtract tens values and then subtract ones values. Here the tens values are 90 and then 30. So, take a 90 minus 30. 90 minus 30 and the ones values are 7 and 6. So take 7 minus 6. Now we are going to subtract 90 minus 30 and 7 minus 6. 90 minus 30 and 7 minus 6. So before going to the subtraction, first we will write the place values. Now tell me Nani, what is our first place value? Very good. Our first place value is ones and the next place value is tens. Here the numbers are 90 minus 30. So write the ones place value is 0 and the tenth place value is 9. Here the ones place value is 0. Again the tenth place value is 3. Now we are going to subtract this. So while subtracting time, first we will take the ones place value. So what is the answer? 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Now show your 9 finger, fold 3 finger. Remaining how many fingers are there? Very good. The answer is 6. So 90 minus 30, the answer is 60. Next take 7 minus 6. So 7 minus 6, the answer is 1. Now we are going to recombine this answer. Write a recombine equal to 60 plus 1. So what is the answer? 60 plus 1? The answer is 61. So now listen my children, whether my subtraction is right or wrong. Now I am going to subtract the number. Take a 97 minus 36. 97 minus 36. Now take the ones place value. Here the ones place values are 7 and 6. Now tell me Nani, what is the answer? 7 minus 6? Very good my dear. The answer is 1 and 9 minus 3, the answer is 6. Now we got the answer 61. So our subtract by breaking both number is correct. Next we will see the another example. Our another example is 3-digit number subtract 3-digit number. Okay. So what is the first step? The first step is breaking, right? So take a break 154 and break 103, right? Break 154 and then break 103. So what is the answer? 154. Using the expanded form, then we will break the number. So take 153. Here 4 it is in ones place, 5 in 10th place and 1 in 100th place. So write the answer 100 plus 50 plus 4. 100 plus 50 plus 4. Next you will take the number 103. Now tell me Bhavana, what is the answer? Very good dear. The answer is 100 plus 0 plus 3. Our next step is now we are going to substitute in the question. Take the question 154 minus 103. 154 minus 103. So already we break 154. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is 100 plus 50 plus 4. So write the answer 100 plus 50 plus 4, then put minus symbol and then we have 100 minus 0, 100 plus 0 and plus 3 plus 0 plus 3. 100 plus 0 plus 3. Now we use the formula. Tell me Nasreen, what is the formula? Minus into plus? Very good. The answer is minus. So take 100 plus 50 plus 4. Now we will use the formula minus into plus. So minus into plus, the answer is minus 100 minus 0 minus 3. Right? Correct only no? Minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus. Now we are going to write subtract 100 values, subtract tens values and subtract ones values. So write here sub hundreds. And the next one is sub tens. tens values. And the next one is 100 tens, and after one is sub ones values. Sub ones values. Now we are going to write the 100th values. Here the 100th values are 100, 100. Already they are given. So take and write 100 minus 100. 100 minus 100. So what is the answer? Here we got the both same number. So same number subtracted means the answer is 0. So write the answer 0. Next we will take the 10th place. Okay, so subtract tens value. Here the tens values are 50 and then 0. Take 50 minus 0. So what is the answer? The answer is same number. Take and write 50. Next we will take the ones place value. What is the ones place value here? The ones place values are 4 and 3. So take and write 4 minus 3. What is the answer? Just show your 4 finger, 3 finger. So the answer is 1. Write the answer 1. Now we are going to recombine this. Recombine. Take the 100th value. So here the 100 value is 0. So take and write 0 plus 50 plus 1. 0 plus 50 plus 1. So now we are going to add this. What is the answer? 50 plus 1. Very good, Nani. The answer is 51. So write the answer finally 51. Now we are going to check whether this 51 is right or wrong. Take the number 154 and then 103. 3, 0, 1. Now we are going to subtract this. So while subtracting time we will take ones place value, then 10th place value, then 100th place value. Here the ones place values are 4 minus 3. So answer is 1. Next 5 minus 0. The answer is 5. Write the answer 5. The next one is 1 minus 1. The answer is 0. So our subtraction is correct. Finally we have another example is there. Listen. So our final example is 367 minus 254. So what is our first step? First step we are going to do the break. Okay. So do the break. Break 367. 367. So using the expanded form, here you should break the number. So what is the answer? Very good, Bhavana. The answer is 300 plus 60 plus 7. So why? Because 7 it is in ones place, 6 in 10th place and 3 in 100th place. Next I will take break 254. Break 254. So using the expanded form, and you should break this. Write 200 plus 50 plus 4. Now we are going to substitute in the question. Here the question is 367 minus 254. Already we break 367. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is 300 plus 60 plus 7. Next put the minus symbol and 254, 200, and then what is the next number? Very good. Our next number is 50 plus 4. Now listen children, here we will use one formula. What is that formula? The formula is minus into plus equal to minus. Minus into plus equal to minus. Now you take 300 and then plus 60 plus 7. Right? 300 plus 60 plus 7. Now you take a minus into plus. What is the answer? Minus into plus. The answer is minus 200 minus 50 minus 4. And our next step is subtract 100 values, subtract 10's values and subtract 1's values. So write here subtract hundreds, sub hundreds, sub hundreds. So next we have sub 10's values, sub 10's, and then we have sub 1's values. So write here sub 1's. Here the 100 values are 300 minus 200. So take and write 300 minus 200. And the 10's values are 60 and then 50. So write 60 minus 50. And the 1's values are 7 and then 4. So write 7 minus 4. Now take the 100's values. Here the 100's values are 300 minus 200. 300 minus 200. So 0, 0, 2. While subtracting 10, first we will take the 1's place value, then 10's place value, then 100th place value. Here the 1's place values are 0 and 0. So 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Next we will take again 0 minus 0, the answer is 0. Then we will take a 3 minus 2. So put 3 line, 1, 2, 3 and then strike out 2 line. Remaining how many lines are there? Yeah, we have only 1 line. So write the answer 100. Here 300 minus 200, the answer is 100. Next we will take a 60 minus 50. 60 minus 50. Take the 1's place value. Here the 1's place values are 0 and 0, and then 6 minus 5. So what is the answer? 6 minus 5. Very good. The answer is 1. So here you will write 60 minus 50. The answer is 10. Next 7 minus 4. Just show your 7 finger and fold 4 finger. Remaining we had 3 fingers are there. So write the answer 3. Now we are going to recombine this. Recombine 100 plus 10 plus 3. 100 plus 10 plus 3. Now we are going to add this 100 and then 10. So we should start from 1's place onwards. 0, 1 and then we have 3. So write here 3. So now add this 0 plus 3, the answer is 3, and 0 plus 1, the answer is 1, and then 1. Write the final answer 113. What is the answer? 113. Listen children, in this session you have learned alternative methods. So second step, right? Subtract by breaking both number. In this below description we have a study material, question bank and then assessment work. So do all the exercise problem. If you have any doubt, just see this video. Thank you children. Have a nice day.